This is Blooket, Blooket.com. It is a free, as you can see, an educational site that is used for games. We will be going into sign up, and I can become the student or the teacher right now. I will choose teacher, and I'm just going to sign up. And it seems like it's super easy. You put in your birthday, you put in a login, and I'll be right back. So as you can see, we're logged in. It was pretty simple. In the beginning, it did have a tutorial on how to create sets of questions and how to find sets of questions. But let's use a tutorial to help us navigate the site. So here, just like what we're creating here, it has videos that guides the teacher. This is from a teacher perspective, and this is how you can sign up for. You can create classroom signups and for Blooket and discovering different games and quizzes for your kids. And this is pretty awesome. And we're gonna go back to the site and let's find a discover some sets. As we're new, so let's discover some sets. I can put in the school, but as of now, I'm going to exit out and just look through. So I am looking for something um, fun and that involves math. So I will type in addition. So there's some addition questions. I do not want many questions for my students right now, as it'll just be a quiz. So this is a set here created by someone, a user, and it has questions and answers. These are the questions, which is really awesome from a teacher perspective. And I love that you can show answers here, and it shows all the answers for the questions in case I myself don't know personally, but I do like that. And it seems like we can look at my sets, and as you see, I can click on an addition problem. It says addition, subtraction, word problems, counting to 120, 120. So I will pick counting to adding, no, I will pick adding to 120. And these are the questions that the students will see. And this is the time. But as when you click on it, it shows the answers. As a teacher, I'll show the answer. But let's play solo to see how the game works. So you can pick a mode, which makes it very fun for kids. I will pick Plushy Panic, and it has difficulty level, how difficult this is for students, ideal time it should take. Some students may need more time, so as we create these games or play with these games, we should consider how much time it takes for our class to take working on it. Normal frequency of questions and skills, the accuracy. Let's see. And so this is a teacher perspective. Um, you enjoy the game and the quiz before you give it to your student to make sure it's okay for your class. I will do a start and tutorial. Um, Even if I get the answers wrong, and I love it helps you how to navigate the questions. And this is to shoot. I agree. I'm learning the same as we're going about. Just like and okay. So it's screen edit. Oh, man. I will take this quick to see what happens. Wait 3 seconds. It gives me that answer. It's still going with the questions. So when you go to the page, there's discovery, which we went over. There is my sets where you can create your own sets. And here, as a set creator, you have images you can upload, title you can write, and how to describe it. And then you start to create. So I'm going to create, and you can pick Quizlet mode that you have or different things. Edit information. Add here you have add questions. So what is pizza? And your 4 different answers. Sauce, cheese, tomato. And you can have 4, 2, 3, however you choose. You save it. Which answer is correct? I will press green and you save it. And it is there as my questions, as you can see. And it says 20 seconds. I can edit that and change the time limit to 30. I can have it in random order, and multiple choice or typing answers, which is awesome for teachers. And you can also create audios. As I was, there was a point when doing things with language where kids can't fully read yet. If, as I teach pre-K 4, we can give an audio and you can put images to help in math. So it's a really cool site that seems very enjoyable. I can add favorite sets that maybe my class uses a lot. I can give homework. I can become a part of a school or not. And you can play, you can join the game too as a teacher. And that is just some of how cool this site is and very enjoyable for kids. The game was a little intense. Maybe I will pick a smaller game, but any subject I've taught with my kids, I will come up here and maybe do a discover set or create my own for any group of elementary students that I am teaching. As it seems to go, the Blooket goes up to 5th grade teaching levels. Name.Logo seems like a very fun subject to do with your students on a day of Friday and you just want to play a game with them. And as you can see, the logo, the seconds show answers as the teachers, and the green is the correct answer. And that is it.